They look good.
Good morning. You know that I haven't spent quite a long time with my family, and one of the things that we really love doing together is cooking. So today we're gonna make some of our favorite things, which are stuffed crabs with some liver, chicken liver, and vatrushki, which are sweet buns stuffed, well, sort of stuffed with cottage cheese filling in the middle, and then we're gonna put jam and what this thing is called? Streusel, which is basically like a biscuit crumb on top as well, but we're gonna take you through everything. And we already made the stuffing for crabs with my sister. We basically chopped some onion, grated carrots, fried it all together in a little bit of oil, and then blended it together. Now it's all sort of cooling down here. We added a pinch of sugar, a bit of salt and pepper as well. And here we have everything for our buns. We're gonna make the dough now. Here we have egg, some butter, warm milk with a little bit of sugar, a little bit of flour and yeast. We just activated it all. You can see that it's working really well. And some flour. I added salt and sugar to it already. Ready? Okay. Right, I'm gonna be making the dough. So I'm gonna plop the butter here. And I'm just gonna rub it together with the flour until I have fine crumbs formed out of it. I used to teach people how to bake in a bakery school, funnily enough, in London, just before Matt and I left, and I worked there for 2 years. I absolutely loved it, and I do kind of miss it, well, quite a lot. And I haven't made dough for about a year now, so I'm super excited. Okay. If you're ever making this crumb and you're not sure if you have any more lumps of butter left, what you do is that you shake your dish or whatever mixing bowl you have, and all the large crumbs are gonna form at the top, so then you can see them and work on them a little bit longer. Okay, but that's perfect now. So now I'm going to add all the rest of my wet ingredients here. I'm just gonna add milk. Make sure we grab everything. Oh, it's so foamy, I love it. Beautiful. And let's add egg in there too. So we're making beautiful enriched dough here. Just gonna start mixing all in. Oh, I miss that smell so much. It smells so good. Okay, so we're just going to form the dough in this bowl, and then we're gonna transfer everything on the table and knead it. Let's clean this up. Okay, let's knead our dough for about 5 minutes. Gonna stretch and pull this beauty.
And really quickly, a message from the sponsor of today's video, BetterHelp.
I'm fine here on my own, watching all that good food be cooked. I'm not. In all seriousness, having someone to talk to now and again, if you're feeling down or feeling depressed, can sometimes be incredibly beneficial. And I'm noticing, being here on my own, that without having someone to turn to and to discuss things with, sometimes things can feel like they're getting on top of me. And that's where, thankfully, over the past few weeks while Julia's been away, I've been able to speak to my therapist with BetterHelp and discuss things that are on my mind, how I'm feeling, and just have someone there that will listen. And the best thing about BetterHelp is that you can do it from anywhere. So I'm just sitting here on my laptop and I can log on, speak to my therapist, I can write to her, call her, we can arrange video sessions, and it can be from anywhere in the world. I think both of us as people are 100 miles an hour, and we have so many plans and so many things that go in and out of our head constantly that sometimes it's quite easy to feel overwhelmed. And that's why having that person to talk to who really understands how to help and what to say is an absolute godsend, to be honest. So if you're feeling depressed, sad, a bit of anxiety, stress, anything, check out the link that's in our bio and check BetterHelp out, because they're a fantastic platform that both of us use all the time now and have used for over 6 months, and really, really highly recommend, genuinely. Anyway, on that note, back to all that nice food in Russia.
Okay, that's it. Our dough is transformed. Honestly, I wish you could smell it.
So good.
Okay, in our pan here, we put some oil, vegetable oil. And we're gonna plonk our dough here, cover it with a little towel, and let it sit for about an hour, just until it's doubled in size. Ew. My gran is making the butter for the crabs.
Положим немножко соли. Сахар выложили?
Да.
Как считаете, надо?
Чуть-чуть.
Где-то венчик был. Сейчас посмотрим, сколько нам надо молока. Молока-то не так много.
Ну, сделай сколько получится.
Воды больше добавим.
Ну, хорошо.
Ну.
У нас начинка вкусная.
А мука где?
Сейчас принесу.
Просто молоко не будем выливать. Сначала заметим.
Сейчас сначала муку просеем, да?
Угу. Поправим, все сделаем.
Хорошо. Ты блинный эксперт.
Не знаю, посмотрим.
Ну, давай что еще просеем.
Так, масло растительное мы еще не добавили. Вот этой бутылки вылив все.
Все?
Все, выливай все.
А тут чуть-чуть совсем.
А соду в последнюю очередь напомни, чтобы не забыть.
Хорошо. А надо потом, чтобы тесто постояло или нет?
Да, маленько, чтобы отдохнула.
Угу.
Можно сейчас еще маленько. Она кипяченая?
Да. Я только что чапила.
Так, наверное, еще маловато. Сейчас муку все высыплю. То мало будет, наверное, блинов. Что все комочки надо разбивать.
Угу.
Хорош. Поливаем маленько. Так вот надо делать, чтобы кислородом оно набралось.
Угу.
Сейчас еще соды добавим.
Угу.
Даже можно, мне кажется, капельку еще водички можно маленько. Там есть?
Еще?
Ну, наверное, пока ладно. потом
Постоит?
постоит, потом видно будет. Сейчас туда положим.
Угу. Уксус надо?
А?
Уксус надо или нет?
Нет. Сюда уксус не надо.
А ты блинчики, тесто для них всегда делаешь на глаз, да? Ты никогда?
На глаз.
Мгм. По консистенции смотришь, да?
Угу.
И сейчас оставим посидеть, да?
Маленько постоять минут 7, 5,
Мгм.
10. Отдохнуть.
Whoa! Look at that. Let's shape our buns.
Масло не надо смазывать пергамент.
Не. Он для этого используется, что там ничего не пристает.
Какое тесто хорошее.
Да. Ой, как оно пахнет. Обалдеть.
Время.
Сдобы вот. Так, 8 сделаем булочек. Давай. Вот так. И еще на 2. I'm just gonna put a little bit of oil on them and cover them with cling film so the cling film doesn't stick to our buns and then pulls away from them. And I think the butter for our crepes is ready. So we're
Ты
gonna
не
get
включала?
on with making them.
Ты не включила?
Да, включила.
О, какой кружавчик.
Красота.
Кружавчик.
Красивый какой.
Вот так. Вот так.
Ты делаешь самые лучшие блинчики.
С кружавчиками. Ой.
Ой, какой красивый. Обалдеть.
Одни кружева прямо.
Ну. Okay, we're just making filling for our buns. Here we have cottage cheese, some butter, vanilla. Gonna add some sugar and an egg yolk. That's it. Так. In this case, you just do this. Okay, will do. Okay, and let's just blend it all together. Okay, it's been about 20 minutes. They look good. Okay. сначала распределим. All the buns are filled. We're preheating our oven, and let's put the jam right in the middle. And one last little thing, we need to make the topping for our bun. So here we have butter and flour. Gonna rub it all together to form crumb. Get a little biscuit crumb and add a little bit of sugar to it as well. I forgot to glaze our buns. I should have really done it before we put this beautiful topping on them, but better late than never. And we don't have a brush, so fingers it is. Really nice and gentle. Давайте теперь начинять блины. Побольше, побольше.
Да.
Мы же себе делаем. Я сворачиваю конвертом, некоторые трубочки сворачивают. Мне так
Нет,
больше
так
нравится.
лучше, ты что, конечно. Какая красота.
Про меня спасибо.
И ты вообще, ты тоже ничего так. Господи.
Очень чуть-чуть сыпучая, но ничего страшного. Потом со сметаной.
Ой, я сейчас думаю об этом. Я просто сижу уже слюнями истекаю.
Пойдем продавать. Everything is ready, so let's have some tea. Sounds good to me. Готова чай пить? Да? Всегда готова, да? Спасибо большое. Well, not gonna lie, everything was delicious. We're just gonna take some of those buns to my auntie. And thanks for watching this video. Hope you're enjoying spending some little homely time with us. And see you in the next one. Mwah!